Deangelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would go over the best offers to run over here on Craigslist. So first things first though is wherever city you plan on promoting in, go check out the labor section first. So to give you guys an example on what to look for, you see this person right here, they put up to like 90% of the stuff they put up like on this front page here is all of their ads, right? And the reason why you want to look out for people like this is because let's say you go and you buy up a few ads, right? And then this person comes back in a day or 2 days or whatever, and then they buy up every single ad on the front page. You're pretty much, just SOL, right? Now, every single city isn't going to be like this. As you can see right here, that's why I brought up this example here and whatnot. But you see, like legit, 90% of the ads on this front page is all just this one person, and the front page is only 2 days deep, right? So I'll go from well, basically 3 days, right? Now let's go to a different city. And if we see this one right here, we're going to be on the front page for over an entire month. So not bad, right? That's a huge difference. And it's actually the same person here as well, spamming up pretty heavily on this one as well. Let's see if we can find another one. Okay, so this is a good one right here. Oh, this is fantastic. I'm actually going to post here. Yeah, this one is fantastic right here. We're going to be on the front page for an entire month. Like, look at that. That is not bad at all. Damn, there are like nobody promoting here like at all. But yeah, make sure you do that first just to check and see, because you want to go to a place where somebody isn't going to buy up the entire front page or push your ad all the way to the second page. Because once it hits the second page, it's pretty much over with, right? It's at the front page or it's gone, right? So obviously you want to be on the front page as long as possible. So definitely make sure you look at the labor section before that, because again, you don't want to just get all your ads pushed down to the second page. Then at that point, it's like there's really no point in doing that or whatever. But the best offers, right? Let's jump into that here. So the best offers, number one is going to be whatever you plan on, wherever you plan on posting. That's what your perfect ad is going to be. So for labor, your perfect ads to run, the perfect offers are going to be labor offers. It's just that simple, right? So if we come over here to the Oryx network and you see lawn care is this offer right here. We open this up. All right, so boom, as soon as they put in their name and email, you get paid, right? Very, very simple. And labor. What's labor? That's what people are going to be looking for, these type of offers. That's why they convert so well. Now, another offer is going to be stuff like you're making money online niches or whatnot. Now, a lot of people aren't looking for a making money online opportunity when they come to Craigslist, but it's like, oh, it's there. It's one of those type of things. Like, they're not looking for it, so it's less likely they'll convert, but you will still get some people to convert. So this one is one where it's just pretty much a PPC. So as soon as you click this right here, boom, we got paid just like that, right? So if we go to the home page, you see right there, 38 cents, literally just like that, right? So we come back over here and do it again. So this is the power of no shave offers. The first offer I showed you as well was a no shave offer, and it's pretty much in the name. Like if you're with Max Bounty, pretty much any network that's not a private owned network that's owned by a super affiliate, you're getting shaved. I'm gonna just be 100% with you. And as you can see right here, boom, literally just a click. So when it says, that it converts on the click, as you see right there, boom, now we're at 76 cents. All right. So every single time that offer gets clicked, you get paid. Every single time someone puts in their email and you're doing an email submit, you get paid. Every single time someone downloads, fills out a form, or whatever the offer says that it converts on, you get paid. It's beautiful. That's how all networks should work, but that's not how it works in the slightest. Most of the networks, you are getting shaved quite heavily. You might have an offer that says it converts on an email submit, and they gotta get all the way to page 7 for it to convert. But it says specifically that you get the conversion as soon as they put in their username and password, right? So you got some BS like that, right? So if we come over here, and this is another no shave offer as well. I'm showing these ones because these are in-house offers or whatnot, obviously, you know. So I'm gonna favoritize these ones right here. But the entire network doesn't shave or anything like that. So this is another one right here. If we come over here, let's just type in email. Click apply. Boom. Come back to the front page. $1.25. Just like that. So as you can see, when it says you're going to get paid when someone puts in their email, you get paid when someone puts in their email. Like, I know it's really exciting. Like, if you've ever been in a CPA network that shaves the shit out of you. Like, if you started in the Oryx network, then you just don't know the pain. You don't know the pain of running ads and just getting shaved extremely heavy or whatnot. But anyway, you guys get the point now, what a no-shave offer is versus an offer that's not a no-shave offer. A no-shave offer, an offer where you get shaved is pretty much in the name. Like, if someone puts in their email and it says you're going to get paid on email submit, you don't get paid. Or if you do get paid, they don't give you credit for it, and you get shaved out of, let's say, like 7 out of 10 of your leads, sometimes 9 out of 10, depending on which niche or what type of offer. Just so there's a whole bunch of stuff, guys, whatnot. But anyway, just know no shave offers over here on the Oryx network. So another good offer to run are loan offers. Loan offers work fantastically, and you can promote those damn near anywhere. Like, you can even have those in your offer as well, you know, so have like in your funnel, whatnot. If you're not really big on funnels and you're just a straight shooter, you just make a landing page, boom, that's it. Like, that's all you're trying to do or whatnot. You can do that with just a loan offer as well, and you can promote that in many different ways. Over here, you can go to the car section. I made a whole video on that, where you guys can have the bot. Where you guys can have the bot set up, where basically it goes through, asks them all the questions and everything, so you don't even have to build out a whole landing page or anything. You literally just set it up. It probably takes like 10, 15, 20 minutes, you know, depending on how quick you are at typing, because you got to type out all your questions or whatever. But yeah, as soon as they put in they type their information out or whatnot, and all they got to do is just click, right? Just click yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, or whatever little tabs you have, like literally just like a regular funnel. And then it's like, oh, okay, great, you qualify, you know, and here you can go check out this loan right here. And then you can have it set up to where, you know, it's a delay response. Let's say on average it takes like 5 minutes for that particular offer to be completed. And then they'll exit out of that and then come back, and then you can have another offer right there waiting for them or whatnot. But if you're a Team Deangelo member, you guys already know about all that there or whatever. But yeah, that is pretty much in a nutshell. The top 3, in my opinion, are whatever gig you're going to. All right, so if you're posting a computer gig, you want to go to the computer section. Like, you want something that has to do with the computer, you know, something with working online, you know, something in that niche, right? You can always come over here and see what's available right there. Like, you see this one only got 2 posts. So we would actually be on the front page for, well, we would still be on the front page for 1 month, because that's how long your ad lasts. But you'll be seen by different local results as well, without having to pay to be in those local results. To pay to be in those local areas or whatnot. Right, then we go to creative. Yeah, we can come over here, just see what people are posting. So we see a lot of photographic stuff. So maybe we go and find an offer that's about photography or something like that, right? And we would come over here, and that's what we would post. You would basically go over here and see what's there already. Now, for this one, this actually doesn't have any at all, so you just have to go to a different city. But this one looks like it's stuff about flyers and video stuff or whatnot. So yeah, we would just go through again, just find stuff. All right, events. All right, we come up in here and see. We would have to. It would actually probably be pretty difficult to find an offer that's just like about an event or whatnot, but it's possible. You can just look or whatever. Right, labor, obviously, talent. Talent is another big one. I'll look at this one right here, talking about adult models. no ads, no nothing. Like, so you can promote stuff in the adult niche right here. So I'm actually try that out when we get in here. All right, so look, we got another adult one right here. All right, so it's just like you just test it out. That is it, guys. Like it's not difficult. So you see right here the adult niche. I didn't even think about running an adult offer over on Craigslist because it's been so long since I've done anything like that. But you see, boom, they're gonna just check it out. I mean, just worst case scenario is that the ad gets shut down. That's it. That's the worst case, and we see this person has been on the been up for several days now. Now, if everyone goes and copies that person, then everybody's just going to get shut down and there's no one's going to make any money. And then if you don't have an offer that actually works or converts properly, then it doesn't matter anyway. Like, that's another thing, guys. Like, it doesn't matter how good the offer is. If it doesn't convert, there's no point. Like, especially if you're on Shave Bounty and stuff like that. Like, the adult niches, the adult offers over there normally legit just don't convert. Like, I remember one time back in the day, I got like 1,000 something clicks on an offer over on Shave Bounty, and they gave me one of my conversions. 1,000 clicks, and they gave me one conversion. Then they stole, you guys can go back and watch the videos or whatever, but that was the whole reason I left Max Bounty. I was with them for legit like a month and a half. I ran one campaign over there, made like 50 grand or something like that in a month and a half. Then they basically wanted me to give up my campaign so then they can take my campaign and give it to everybody else. And I said no. So then they shut down my account, made a whole video about it. And you guys can go check that out. They even stole $2,000 from me or whatnot. But hey, it'd be like that sometime though. That's the price you pay when you tell your affiliate manager no, you're not going to give them your campaign or whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it in a nutshell. That's all the little tips I got for you guys here when it comes to the best offers to promote. Again, quick recap: whatever gig your section you're posting in, find an offer related to that section. Number two, you got your work from home stuff because again, it's all about money. And then three is going to be your loans. Again, a lot of people are looking for loans, especially right now. So loan offers are absolutely killing it. They're crushing the game right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Maybe you guys know a different section. Like there's a lot of sections I have not posted in. Well, not really. Mainly just these three over here. Like everything else I've done. But like all this, like over here, I've never posted in communities or service or these forums or anything like that. So if you posted any of those, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe we can start working on some new sections to post in and such. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.